Okay, so today I will be showing you how to create a project in OmegaT. You want to start out by opening up the OmegaT application and being at the home screen. A project is a term used to refer to a collection of folders and files associated with translation. It's basically the equivalent to a translation job. So you're going to go over to the left and press where it says project. You will press new or go ahead and press Control Shift plus N, and then you will have this dialog box open up. Usually, if you have something in the folder name that's already saved in this line, if you try to place save, it will tell you that this folder already exists and is not empty, so you need to select a different folder. I've found that if you just go ahead and create your own folder, then it will go ahead and save directly to your computer. You can also change where you want it saved to within your folders itself. You can change it to documents or this PC directly, but you just want to make sure that you will create a new folder so then you can advance to the next dialog box. And then once you get here, you'll be able to specify what you want your source language and your target language to be. I currently have United States English and then Dominican Republic Spanish set. And then once you get here, you select your different settings. You can go into segmentation to change things up a bit. We will just stay on this main dialog box. And then there is a manual that can further explain how to change the segmentation rules online. And then once you get here, it will tell you each individual file folder name that it has for your project. And then you'll go ahead and press OK. And here you can select the different documents you want to apply. Like right now it wants you to add in your file for your source language. So you go ahead and press select source file. And then you just select whichever document you have. I'm going to go with document 1, and then I'll press open. And it looks like this document has failed to open. It doesn't look like the file opened up, so I'll go ahead and just go back into my document, and I'll just press a document I have in Word, and I'll open it up, and then it'll appear in your start box once it has downloaded. It is just loading right now. Okay, there you go, and then you have your source doc right in there. And that is as far as we'll get.